Niagara Falls is a world-famous waterfall located on the Niagara River, straddling the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, United States. It consists of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Horseshoe Falls is the largest of the 3 waterfalls, and most of the water flows over this section. It is shaped like a horseshoe and located on the Canadian side of the border. American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls are both located on the American side of the border, with Bridal Veil Falls being the smallest of the 3. The Niagara River flows from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario, and the falls are located at the point where the river drops over the Niagara Escarpment, creating a spectacular natural wonder. The falls are a popular tourist destination, with millions of visitors every year coming to see the breathtaking beauty and power of the falls up close. Visitors can take boat tours, walk along scenic paths, and enjoy views from observation decks on both the American and Canadian sides of the falls. There are many things to do in Niagara Falls, depending on your interests. Here are some popular activities and attractions. Maid of the Mist. Take a boat tour on the Maid of the Mist to get up close to the falls and experience the power and mist of the waterfalls. Journey behind the falls. Take a tour behind the falls and see the water rushing down from behind the cascading water. Niagara Parks. Visit the Niagara Parks for a wide range of activities such as hiking, biking, golfing, and bird watching. Niagara Sky Wheel. Take a ride on the Niagara Sky Wheel, a 175-foot tall Ferris wheel offering panoramic views of the falls and surrounding areas. Niagara Falls View Casino Resort. Try your luck at the casino, and enjoy live entertainment, restaurants, and shopping. Niagara Wine Country. Take a scenic drive or tour of Niagara Wine Country, which is home to over 90 wineries. Clifton Hill. Visit Clifton Hill for a wide range of family-friendly attractions, including mini-golf, haunted houses, and arcades. Butterfly Conservatory. Take a stroll through the Butterfly Conservatory, home to over 2,000 butterflies, exotic birds, and plants. Niagara Falls State Park. Explore Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the United States, with hiking trails, picnic areas, and scenic views. Niagara Falls Illumination. See the falls lit up at night with spectacular colored lights during the Niagara Falls illumination. The best time to visit Niagara Falls depends on your preferences and what you want to do. Here are some things to consider. Weather. The peak tourist season is from June to August, when the weather is warm and sunny. However, the falls can be enjoyed year-round, with winter being a beautiful time to see the frozen falls. Crowds. If you prefer to avoid crowds, consider visiting in the spring or fall when there are fewer tourists. Activities. Some activities, such as boat tours and outdoor attractions, may be closed during the winter months. Cost. Prices for accommodations and attractions can be higher during peak tourist season. Events. Consider visiting during special events, such as the Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights or the Niagara Wine Festival, which take place during specific times of the year. In general, the best time to visit Niagara Falls is in late spring, May to June, or early fall, September to October, when the weather is still pleasant, but the crowds are smaller, and prices are lower. However, if you're interested in experiencing the falls' frozen beauty, the winter months, December to February,